Okay guys, this is our full fat butter chicken recipe. So we're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of butter. Today we're using Kerrygold. So now our butter is melted and my mom's gonna show you the ingredients of the masala.
3 big chopped tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 green chili, 3 pieces of ginger, 6-7 pieces of garlic. Add it in your butter. One big bay leaf, 3 cardamom, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Add it in through the masala.
So now we're gonna cook everything down until it's softened. It's been about 7 minutes and the vegetables have released their water and they're still cooking down.
Add 1 cup of water.
Lower the heat and we're gonna let this simmer and cover it.
Good 10 minutes.
Exactly after 15 minutes, we added the water and now we're at this stage. We're gonna let this cool down for 5 minutes and we're gonna add it to a blender. So we're gonna remove the bay leaf.
Now we're gonna add it into the blender.
So after blending it on high, this is the texture that you're looking for.
Now add 2 tablespoons of butter on high heat. 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce.
For everyone wondering in the last video, this is the tomato sauce that we were talking about. It's just plain tomato sauce. Now we're adding the masala that we blended up. Remember guys, you have to remove the bay leaf. Now it's boiling on high heat.
Now we're gonna add chicken.
This is leftover tandoori chicken that we have. If you want to see the recipe for this chicken that we made, you can see it in the next video. Now we're gonna add this much more butter, like about 1 tablespoon.
And some kasuri methi.
Remember guys, kasuri methi is fenugreek powder. You can see where to buy all this stuff in my next TikTok.
No.
Add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Okay, never mind, 1/2 cup. Gonna taste it now to check the salt and make sure everything's good.
Cover it. Put it on simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Now our butter chicken is ready to serve.
We're using our cute bowls again. You guys can find this at your local Indian market.
The final touches for the decorations. Some kasuri methi. Some cream. Some nutmeg for aroma. Everyone enjoy and please make the recipe and let us know how you like it.